Sup YouTube family, it's your boy King A. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a very profitable scalping strategy that you guys can use whether you have a small account and you're trying to grow your small account, or even if you're a beginner. So if this is your first time on my channel and if you find value in this video, all I ask is that you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't miss any of my future videos. Now, without further ado, let's roll out the intro. So for this scalping strategy, we're going to be using this scalping strategy on the 15-minute time frame, and we're actually going to be using two indicators. But before I get into this scalping strategy today, if you guys want access to my signals on Telegram, you guys will see the link down below in the description. And here's the signal group. Here you can see we've been smashing take profits, and we obviously have a few losses as well. So if you guys want access to my signals on Telegram, the link is going to be down below in the description. So now for this strategy, looking at this strategy, we're going to be looking at this scalping strategy today on GBP USD, and I recommend using this strategy on the 15-minute time frame. You can use it on the 5-minute time frame as well, and actually this strategy works on all time frames and all pairs if you want to. So now looking at this, the first indicator that we're going to be used for this scalping strategy is, I want you guys to go here and you search for Williams Alligator. So once you find it, you just click on it, Williams Alligator. We click on it and we go here to settings. We're just gonna change the thickness so we can see everything clearly. We're just gonna change the thickness to the second one. Once you're done, you click on OK. Now the final indicator we're gonna add is we're gonna add the awesome oscillator. Once you start typing awesome oscillator, you'll see it pop up and just click on it. Once you're done, we just go over here to settings, and then we're just going to change the thickness to the second one. Once you're done, you click on OK. Now to use this strategy, now looking at this awesome oscillator here, once you see this green bars, once price is above your zero line, this is your zero line here all the way to the right hand side. Once price is above your once this bars is above your zero line, you looking for buys. You're only looking for buys once this bars is above your zero line, and once this bars is below your zero line, you're only looking for sells. Now don't worry if you see red in between the green, don't worry about that. All you need to focus on is once this bars is above the zero line, you're looking for buys, and once this bars is below the zero line, you're looking for sells. Now that's that for awesome oscillator. Now we're going to look at two examples here for this strategy. Now when we look at this bar here, what we need to be looking out for is when we have the green line crossing these other two lines, this alligator indicator here. Once we have this green cross over the other two lines, we're looking for buys, and we need to make sure that they are wide open. When it's wide open like this, it simply means the alligator mouth is wide open and is ready to feast. Now when it's intertwined like this, you stay out of the trade like we have over here. Once it's intertwined like this, you have to stay out that trade. Once it's intertwined over here like it is here, and also we can see that it's also intertwined like it is right over there, right over here. So once you see the alligator indicator intertwined like this, it simply means that the alligator is slipping. So you stay out of trades, you don't take any trades. So we need the mouth to be wide open like this, and we need the green line to cross the other two lines for a buy signal. Now, since we have this first confirmation here, now before we get in, what else can we see? We can see that obviously we have a support zone here, we have a support zone down here, and we can see that we also have a resistance zone over here, right here. So we can see that we had a resistance zone here, we had a support zone here that became resistance zone here. So now what we're now waiting for is we have the alligator crossing the other two lines, we have the green line crossing the other two lines, and now we just need price to be above our resistance zone right over here. So now I'm going to show you guys where your entry is going to be. Let's put this in replay mode and let's see where our entry is going to be for this buy entry. Let's just start from right over here and let's see. So now we have our entry right over here. Our entry is going to be right over here because price is above our resistance zone. Now we're going to have our stop loss right below this alligator indicator right over here. We're going to have our stop loss for about 30 pips right there. And looking at this, if I want to target my take profit, now I can have multiple take profit if I want to. So for this strategy, let's say we're going to have 3 take profit. So for my first take profit target, I could see that I can easily target this zone over here as my take profit 1. I can target that zone over there for my take profit 1. And also if I want to, I can target this zone as well as my take profit 2. Can have take profit 2 right there, and I can also have take profit 3 right over here as well. So now we have three take profits right there. So now let's take a look and see how this trade by trade actually played out. We're gonna move this right over here all the way to the top here, and let's take a look and see how this trade played out. Bam, right there, we got our take profit smash. We got our take profit smash right here for 96 pips, as you guys can see. Stop loss 30 pips, risk to reward ratio 3-to-1. Looking at this buy trade. So guys, this is how you use this strategy for a buy trade. And as you can see, all the way we have the awesome oscillator above the 0 line also corresponds with our buy entry as small confirmations. So now this is how you use this strategy for a buy trade. Now let's take a look. Let's look for a sell example. Let's look for a sell example here. Delete this here. So let's look for a sell example. I'm gonna delete all this as well. So let's look for a sell example. Drawings. Let's look for a sell example here real quick. So we'll use this sell example right over here. So now we need to make sure that the alligator mouth is wide open and the green crosses the other two lines for a sell trade. And we also need to make sure that the awesome oscillator, the bars is facing down, meaning they actually below the 0 line. Now looking at this alligator indicator, now that we have the confirmation, price is below the alligator mouth is wide open. But before we actually get in, we can see that we had a support zone over here. So we can see that we had a support zone right over there because we need the alligator mouth to actually be wide open after the cross. So now I'm going to put this in replay mode, and I'll show you guys where your entry is actually going to be for this trade. So now let's put this in replay mode and let's take a look, and let's see. We just start from right over here, and let's see. Break, retest. Now your entry would be right over here for this sell trade. You can have your entry right over here. Now for our take profit target, now what do we have to do? We just got to go over here and look to the left hand side and see where our target is going to be, where our potential target is actually going to be. So now I can see that I could target this zone here. I can target that zone over there as my take profit one. I can target that zone, and I can also target this zone here. Since we're going to be scalping, so I can target this zone here if I want to. Let's see, and we're just going to drag these two zones all the way to the right hand side here. Just going to drag those two zones to the right hand side here, and we're going to take a look and see how this trade actually played out. Going to target this zone over here. So we're looking at 31 pips. We can have our stop loss right there, right above the blue indicator line, blue alligator line right here. Now let's take a look and see how this trade actually played out. Our risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2. So now let's take a look and see how this trade played out. Right there, we got our take profit target smashed for 31 pips, risk to reward 1 to 2, stop loss 26 pips. So guys, this is how you use this strategy for a sell trade. And as you can see here, we also have the awesome oscillator right here. We have it below the 0 line for our confirmation as well. So guys, this is how you use this strategy for a buy entry and for a sell entry. Is a very simple strategy and a very profitable strategy. So if you guys like this video, all I ask is that you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't miss any of my future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video.